Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 8 and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. As you can see in the screen section, on the very first position we've got eye comfort, so let's tap on it. And before we will start the customization, we have to actually turn it on. So let's tap on this very first switcher, and I hope that you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much more comfortable for you to look at the screen at the dim light if the eye comfort mode will be on. So since we've got it turned on, we can take a look at this color temperature switcher. So by going to the left, we can make it much cooler, and as you can see, it is almost invisible. And by going to the right, much warmer. It is yellow right now. So actually, this is how to customize the eye comfort mode. What's more, after turning it off, we can schedule it. So after tapping on this switcher, we can choose the start time and end time manually. So let me pick, for example, maybe like 2 o'clock. Remember to tap on OK to confirm, and let's pick the end time, which will be, for example, like 2 o'clock. Also, let's tap on OK. And as you can see, the screen immediately turned yellow. It is because obviously we are between the start time and end time. So let me turn off the schedule option. Let's turn it on manually. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and after that you can have much faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully and find the eye comfort icon. Right now it is obviously turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state immediately. Obviously you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable, how to customize the eye comfort mode in your Honor 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.